Your dad is fast. Faster than the speed of sound. And the faster I go, the more the world slows down. But it wasn't always easy. When I was a kid, I lost the people I cared about most. I won't let that happen to you. That's why your mom and I, we need to do something impossible.
My friend Oliver said that the lightning chose me. Well, now, I'm gonna do the choosing. My name's Barry Allen, and I am the fastest man alive. When I was a child, I saw my mother killed by something impossible. My father went to prison for her murder, and an accident made me the impossible.
Create a new world for you, Nora. A better one.
One where we can coexist. All of us. Together. A world where nothing has to be impossible. As long as we believe in it.